Hi everyone, my name is Tucker, coming from Rumford Stone. Just introducing our BACA right here. This is our Robo SawJet. We use it to cut 99% of the material that comes through the shop. It has a saw blade that does most of your straight cutting, any smaller segments or any curved cuts. It uses a water jet for, a water jet that we load with a garnet powder up here. That's our abrasive that actually cuts through the material. And it's really an all-in-one unit. It's essentially just a KUKA arm that you see in the automotive industry around the world. And it comes paired with an intensifier, which is just a large compressor that helps, power the garnet through the stone. And here we are with our vacuum lifts. This machine is a dual table machine, so we have a left table and a right table, so it always keeps moving while it's cutting over there. You're putting material down, programming it to cut over here. And these are essentially just two large tanks. They're hollow all the way down. They are filled with water just for noise dampening. They have slats that go across, just metal slats. So this is the cement board that we use to deck the tables with. And it's very similar to any drywall that you would use in the construction industry. And it's nice just because as it gets cut up, it can just fall into the table. So the first step in the process, as you see the camera mounted up in the rafters there, we're going to take a picture of the material that we just put down. And then essentially we're just going to drag the shape over. Manipulate it a little bit. My favorite thing about this machine is that it has an auto prep feature. So with the click of a button, it automatically assigns what it can do with the saw. It's going to start off by doing all the saw cuts, and then once those are all complete, the intensifier is going to kick on, start compressing that air, and it's going to use the water jet to finish out the job, connect all the cuts, do all the curves and whatnot. Right now it's checking the saw wear. Comes over, it's gonna do a little dance there. Coming in, cut one. So now that we have this cutting, it's just going to go about, do its thing. A piece this size is only going to take a few minutes to cut. Once it's done cutting, the machine parks itself back at the home position. And once it's nice and safely parked, the operator goes in, picks up any scrap material around the piece, disposes of it. The piece gets picked up and brought over to one of our two routers where we do edging, any sinkholes or mounting hardware that has to get drilled.